Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the LCD in a Samsung XE503C Chromebook. Before you begin your replacement, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step in the LCD replacement process will be to use your spudger to go around the perimeter of the bezel and carefully pry it off of the top covering. When the bezel is completely loose from the front, you will find that you will need to also use your spudger to pry it apart from the back. Once you do this, you should be able to pull it off. Next, you will remove the 4 LCD screws. The next step will be to disconnect the LCD cable from the back of the LCD. You can now remove the LCD. The first step in installing your replacement LCD will be to connect the LCD cable to the back of the LCD. Now, you will set the LCD in place and replace the 4 LCD screws. The final step will be to snap the bezel back onto the top cover. Be sure that the bezel is also snapped in the back. You have now successfully replaced the LCD in your Samsung Chromebook. Nice job!